Hi, welcome to the Creative Bees World. Today I am showing you detailed step-by-step tutorial. To begin, we will make a slip knot and make 112 base chains. After completing 112 chains, we will make a double crochet in the third stitch from the hook. Chain 1, yarn over the hook, skip one stitch and the next stitch make a double crochet. Chain 1, skip 1 and double crochet in the next stitch. Chain 1, skip 1 and double crochet in the next stitch. Complete your row. Chain 2 and turn your work. DC in the same stitch. 1 chain, 1 DC, 1 chain and 1 DC. Continue your work in the same pattern and make a square. Completing the desired length, measure the square by making the triangle. It's perfect. Chain 2 and 2 DC in each space. We will make DC all around the square. For corner, we will make 2 DC, 1 chain and 2 DC in the same space. After completing your work, fold 3 parts like this and join the side with single crochet. You can use a needle too. Join the one side with single crochet and complete your work. For button loop, we will make 12 chains by double chain method, and double chain method tutorial will be uploaded soon on my channel. For rose flower, you can take any color of your choice. Chain 61 and a double crochet in the third stitch from the hook. Chain 2 and a double crochet in the same stitch. Yarn over the hook. Skip 2 stitch and in the third stitch make a double crochet, 2 chains and 1 double crochet in the same stitch. Skip 2 stitches and a double crochet in the third stitch. Complete the row. Chain 2 and turn your work. 8 double crochet in the small space. Single crochet in the big space and then 8 double crochet in the small space. Single crochet in the big space. Complete your row by following the same pattern. Fold the rows like this. Keep rolling till the end. A perfect rose is ready. Now with the help of a needle, make random stitches. Try to go through all the layers you have. For leaves, we will take the green yarn, slip knot, chain 13, a single crochet in the second stitch from the hook, 2 HDC, half double crochet, 2 double crochet, and 1 triple crochet. Two double crochet, two half double crochet, and 2 single crochet. Chain 1 and slip stitch in the back loop. Now repeat the same sequence on the other side. Put a rough sheet under the cover and arrange the flower. You can choose any color and any flower of your choice. First of all, we will attach the leaves with the flower. I am attaching the 3 leaves with the pink flower. You can increase the number of leaves. Now attach the flower with the cover. Now attach all the flower one by one. Small flowers which I used in this project tutorial is on my channel. I will mention the link in description.